Hello everyone, I am Dr. Raj Balaji, Deputy Controller of Examinations, Ratnam College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see how to enter question-wise mark. It is a three-step process actually. In the last video, we have seen that how to set up a question paper. Okay, in this video, we are going to see how to map that question paper to a test one and how to download the question based mark entry Excel file and how to again upload it. Okay, this is the three-step process. The first one, we have to map the question paper with the test, and the second step, download um, the question based mark entry Excel file, and again entering the mark, then upload the file. This is the three-step process. Okay, first we can see how to map the question paper with the examination. First, go to exam management. That go to manage examinations. Exam management, then manage examinations. So my subject code, example subject code is the program is BSc Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. The academic year is 24-25. The department is Computer Science 1 and the semester is 5. There is no need to select the section. Okay, so please don't select the section. If you select the section, it will lead you to the wrong destination. Okay, so don't select section for internal examinations. Okay, so then select the month and year of examination is November 2024, and the examination is nothing but internal assessment. This is the selection. Now click schedules. Now this is the schedule. So click on it and then go to show schedule. By clicking show schedule, it will show you the subjects available in your login. So I am going to search for the cloud infrastructure and services. Here is the subject cloud infrastructure and services. In that, I have to go to test one. Okay. In the end of the row, you can see that there are three dots. Click on the dots, then click on link to question paper. Okay, click on that link to question paper. It will ask you click OK. It will give you a pop-up. That pop-up give OK. Okay, my question paper is ready, which is test one question paper. This is the name that what I had given the question paper. Okay, now click on map. Before mapping it, check it out whether both the things have the thumbs up, green thumbs up. Okay, it should be 100 out of 100 and the outcome is 11 out of 11. Okay, if it is like this, you can be able to map. If something one of them is having didn't have a thumbs up with green, means you cannot able to map it. Okay, my question paper is ready and it is okay, then I'm going to map it. Yes, now the question paper is mapped. Now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to download that Excel file. So again, go to manage examinations. Select the same selections, month and year is missing. So November 24, internal assessment. Click on link schedule. So now click on the internal assessment. Go, now you have to go to enter results. Click OK. Now you have to search for your subject. My subject is here, cloud infrastructure and services. This one, click on it. It will give you a pop-up. Okay, in that pop-up, select all sections or your section. Okay, select your section. If you select all sections, it will, for example, you are taking a common paper in CVCS paper means there will be more than one section, maybe C, C1, C2 like that. If you select all sections, it will give you all students name list. Okay, we don't want that. Just we want to go to our section only. Okay, so select your section. My section is C. So now after selecting the section, you have to click download student details with question. This is what you have to select. Click on it. So I am going to desktop and save that file with my subject code 22 DI5 EA. That is what my subject code, and I'm going to change the name. Test 1 marks. This is what my file. Okay, now you can open that file. Now you can open that file. My file is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the marks. You can see that in our test 1 question paper, there are three sections. The first section is section A, and the second section is section B, and the third section is section C. First section contains 8 open choice questions. Okay, the student has to answer maximum of 5 questions out of 8 questions. And in section C is also the same. Out of 8 questions, student has to answer 5, and in section C there will be only one compulsory question. Um, Based on that only you have to enter your marks. If the question is either or choice, okay, if the question is either or choice, you have to enter marks either to A or B. If the student didn't answer to the question, you have to put 0 either to A or B. But in open choice questions, what is the maximum number of questions student has to answer? For that number of questions, you have to put marks. For example, student answered only 3 questions. Okay, the student has answered only 3 questions means you have to put 3 question marks for that 3 questions, and also you have to additionally put 0 for any other 2 questions in that section. Okay, so the software, the CAMU will expect the faculty has to enter marks for minimum of 5 questions and maximum of 5 questions. Okay, that is the main rule. Okay, so now before entering the marks, I'm going to maximize it. Yes, I'm going to enter the total marks. So wait a moment. So where is the total? Yes, this is the total column. Total column here. I'm going to give the summation of 1 to 17. Okay, close the bracket. Enter. Don't do the total manually because it will lead you to the human error. Okay, so go for the formula. For example, the student secured. For example, I'm saying the student answered only 4 questions. Okay, this question got 3 marks, and this question got 2 marks. This one is 3, and this is 5. This is the only 4 questions the student has answered. Student answered, but we have to enter 4 questions. Okay, you can see that the count is only 4. If you select it, it will show you the count is only 4. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have entered marks only for 4 questions. So either any one of the balance questions you have to put 0. Okay, now we have entered marks for all the 5 questions in section A. Next, section B. Again, the student answered only 2 questions means you can put 10 8. What we have to do? We have to put 0 for any other 3 questions. I'm taking 11, 12, 13 as the other 3 questions. Now it is okay. We have entered 5 questions, and the compulsory question 17th one is compulsory. If the student answered for it, just you can enter the marks like this. Otherwise, if the student skipped the question, if the student didn't answer the question, you have to put it 0 compulsory. That is compulsory. Okay, entering the marks in 17th question is compulsory because based on that question paper. This is how we have to enter the marks. Now you can see that the total mark is here. Okay, and the second student answered 4, 3, 2, 1. Only 4 questions he had answered. So I have to give 0 for another question. 5 questions it's ready. And about section B, 10, 11, 9, 0, 0. And the compulsory questions he answered the answer is 14. Sorry, the mark is 14. This is how you have to enter for all the students. If the student is absent, okay, if the student is absent, you have to put capital Y here in absent column. For example, this student is absent. So I have to put Y in that he is absent column, and you have to leave the other columns for that student. Okay, so we may go to the next student. His marks, for example, it is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is we have answered. We have entered 5 questions, and here it will be 10, 9, 8, 7, again 1, 8, and this question is compulsory, so we have to put 12 for it. Another thing, if you put Y for this, you have to delete the total mark actually. Okay, now we are just I'm going to show you how to upload it. Okay, so I have entered only for 4 students. Total number of students is 35, I think. I have entered marks for only 4 students. It will show you an error for other students, but there will be no errors in the columns um, 4 to 7. Okay, we will see that how to upload it now. Okay, come to this place, click on it, select the section C, and now click upload marks by question. Normally, you will go to this button, enter results, to enter single mark. Okay, for example, only enter the total marks. But for test 1 and test 2, we will enter the marks by question wise. Okay, so click on that upload marks by question. Now the browse button is ready. Click on choose. Come to your place where your file is available. Click on it. Open it. So no valid data found in this file because I think I didn't save that. So now I save the file. Again I'm going to choose it. Sorry, it is I selected question bank actually. Sorry for that. I have to select test 1 marks. Now I have selected it. Now yes, it is showing only from the row 8. Invalid question number 17. So if you enter marks for 17, it will show other columns errors. Okay, it didn't show the errors up to row 7 because we have entered the marks up to row 7. If you read that, what is the error here? You can able to correct it. Okay, so for example, I'm going to correct the row 8 now. It is showing that invalid question number 17. So for row number 8, I'm going to put marks because it is compulsory question. So I'm going to put 0 for that. Now I'm saving it. Again, I'm coming back to this place, and again I'm going to select the file. It is test 1 marks. Open it. Yes. Now it is not showing any error. Okay. So this is how you have to enter the marks and upload the questions. After completing it, if you upload the marks, again after uploading the marks, you have to go to enter marks because we need to finalize it. Okay, after uploading the marks, again you have to go to see your section and go to enter results after uploading your question based marks. Okay, after completing your question based marks, you have to go to enter results, and if you upload it, your marks will be ready. Again here you have to save and next, you have to give save and next, again save and next. If you go to the next page means again save and next, then give finalize. If you didn't finalize it, it will be pending in your name. Okay, after finalizing it, just publish it to the students. If you publish it, if you publish it only, the students can able to see your marks. Okay, so after publishing the after finalizing the marks, you have to click publish results. Okay, after finalizing it, you have to check it out whether it is finalized or not. You can see that here. Okay, if you click view status, here it will show you whether it is finalized or not. It will show you a completed, a thumbs up with the word completed. If it is completed, after completing, you may click on publish result. Okay, this is how you have to enter question based marks. Okay, um, thank you everyone. If you have any doubts, you can contact office of the COE at any time. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.